di mazuranye niyo. Onya buna chebezi bwesicho. Go for the mazuranye niyo.
It's your number. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I went to my late brother's wife to demand for the papers for the surveyed land that were marked out for the building of our town hall. She told me that you were in possession of them.
It is true, Igwe. Late Igwe Akumwata gave them to me. The period we wanted to start work at the piece of land.
Let me have them before the end of today.
Okay, sir. Let me go get them.
No. Hey. You are
I met the children outside. Who see the room in the match or
I told him to go and bring the papers in his possession. Papers to the land.
Okay.
Yes. So he has gone to get them.
Let's come and visit Battle Sea Road. Okay, I have shown them the land and they like it. So they demanded to see the survey plan. But I told them it will be available tomorrow. So tomorrow they will be here.
We'll be waiting for them.
Okay. Your Majesty, I told you that everything that they did, just say me.
Greetings, my princess. Greetings. Did you just call her princess? Did you not hear that I'm the only princess in this palace? I'm sorry, my princess. Chizola. Insult me. Excuse me. Talk to me with respect. Please! Have you gone out? Have you gone out? She slapped me. I'm sorry, my princess. What did I sorry? Ada, you slapped me. And I will slap you again. You will regret this. Can't get her from this place. You will regret it. Exactly. Why did I sorry? I'm very sorry, my princess. By the way, what are you looking for?
What is the matter?
Not in my place.
Let us go inside.
Slapped my princess?
Yes! She slapped me here!
She slapped you here?
Yes!
Where is she?
She's upstairs! Come with and see her!
Jaco.
Greetings, my queen.
What were you doing with Emenike last night?
Nothing, my queen. I was passing by and he stopped me.
And what did he tell you?
Nothing, my queen.
You can go.
Thank you, my queen.
Ojunwa, I said, Chukwa Goziwege, blessed are you amongst women, for your prince has chosen you. Come and sit down. Stop standing, come and sit down. Your prince has chosen you. Chukwa, come and sit down. Don't waste time. Sit. Hi! Sit down. Don't be comfortable. Just sit down. Sit. Ojunwa, hi! Blessed are you amongst women.
Please, I want to start going.
Wait. Stop behaving like a kid. Stop behaving like a kid.
Please, my prince. I have to start going. My mother will start looking for me very soon.
Ujunwa, please. Don't worry about that. Stop behaving like a kid. You are an adult. You should be glad that your prince has chosen you. You know, a lot of people want.
I've not done it before.
Don't worry, I'll take it.
Prince MNK wants from you. Are you telling me that we all now cut the both of it that night?
Yes. I told him to let go, but he refused.
Hey.
Uche, how many times? You have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. It seems you want to lose your job. Akama no require. What a poranga.
Ebele, stop discouraging her. MNK likes her.
You would know one open. God. Chuma, can you yourself talk? Because I can go now, boo. If anything comes out from this, tomorrow, none of you, you know what we think? None of you should mention my name. Come on, Laura. The two of you should stay and start talking. Continue talking.
Sure, ma. I'm afraid that the king would get angry if he finds out that I'm having an affair with the prince.
Don't worry. The king will not find out. But if you don't like him, he will like me. If you don't like him, just let me know. Later.
So, in all, what the Igwe could give the youth is 180k. What for?
Yes.
It's too small. Forget that. How much they sell that place? So much money.
Forget that one. See what we are going to do. We are going to bring out 100k for ourselves. You see, and then share the list to the selected youth. You see that boy called Arinze and his group. I am near Chichi, Penny.
You're right. You are right. Arinze has not been supporting me, so I don't know why he will be part of the show.
That's the truth.
I think you still have the names of the youth
of Manoneji.
Of Blofanchagaye. Not all of them.
Is that not the news?
My prince! Oh my prince! My prince! Oh my prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! Please, please, come back to me! My prince! My prince, come and sit down. Swim! Please,
My guys, I see you're enjoying yourself.
Exactly.
Who is in charge?
Yes, sir.
Get drinks.
Okay. Drinks.
You can get them as well.
Okay, sir.
You can add that to your merriment.
Thank you, my friends. Okay, Kaima. You are the only one who know.
Come inside and take my order.
Okay,
Refill this one. This same one. Good one here. This one. Good one. Don't forget the meat too. Prince Emenike. He's the only one we know. Emenike kai geso. Mona jeje mona nana Emenike kai geso.
What is wrong? Something terrible has happened in Umolong. Somebody died. Igwe has sold the land. Which land? That piece of land you gave him his documents some time ago. How did you get this information? No. As I'm talking to you, bulldozer is there clearing the entire land. And I heard also that Ichie Elando has a hand in the business. This is unbelievable. Okay. That was why Igwe was so desperate to get that papers. Oh no, look. We have to stop them. We have to stop them. That land is not a personal land. That land belongs to Umulum community. Miriam Finanya. Ha! Hello, man. Oh no. The earlier the better. The earlier the better.
Who are you?
We are here to see you graduate financial assistance from the business.
Your Highness, please help me. For 2 days now, we have nothing to eat in my house. Your Highness, my children and I are dying of hunger. Please, Your Highness.
Your Highness, I need some money to take my child to the hospital. He has been sick for a long time now. Please help me.
Will you shut up there, both of you? Listen, take them out of here. Yes. Never you allow such people into this palace.
Please, Your Highness.
Please.
I hope I made myself clear.
Yes,
please, Your Highness.
Take them out.
Please, Your Highness. Please, Your Highness. Please. Pray for mercy and justice. Your Highness, please.
Well, looks like a charitable organization to you. What do I owe this unexpected visit? Because I never sent for any of you.
Oh no. Tell me why we are here.
Ichiodo, why did you refer to Ichiodo as a no? Were you not in the meeting when I pronounced him as no longer the owner of this land?
Your Highness, I'm sorry. It slipped my mind.
Be warned. Now tell me why you're here.
Igwe, we are here to see you in respect of the story we had this morning.
What story?
Your Highness, we got an information that some people are clearing that portion of land we mapped out for building of our town hall. And we went there and found out that is true. We were told that you are the one that sold that piece of land to them. So we came to know if it is true.
So you came to me to confirm if the story you heard is true?
Exactly. Yes, Your Highness.
That's why I close my eyes and open them. All of you have disappeared from my presence.
You sold the community's land without the knowledge of your cabinet. Your Highness, it's unfair. Your Highness, this is an act of wickedness. I've never heard nor seen where such is done. We elders say no to that!
Yes. So both of you are challenging my authority. For that reason, both of you are no longer members of my cabinet. Get out!
Your Highness! Igwe, are you throwing us out of the palace?
I said get out!
Your Highness, you mean that we are no longer members of your cabinet?
Get out of my presence now!
For 10 minutes.
All of you!
Nobody aware all of them know what is wrong. Take note of that. Okay.
What can I do for you? I think I've kept quiet enough. As you can see, I'm on my way out. Even though you claim to be the crown queen of this kingdom, advise my son himself as a prince. Emenike, my son, is the prince of this land. You're confusing yourself. I am the crown queen of this kingdom, and my son is a prince. Emenike, my son, is the first son of this house. That automatically makes him the heir apparent to the throne of this land. Be warned. Honestly, I can see you have nothing serious to talk about.
Who's there? Yeah, come.
I'm sorry, my prince, for the disturbance. I prepared this for you, my prince.
You did what?
I said I prepared this cucumber for you, my prince.
You prepared cucumber for me?
Yes, my prince.
But who asked you to?
Nobody, my prince. I bought it when I went to the market, and I knew you like it, my prince.
You knew I would like it?
Yes, my prince.
What gave you that thought?
Nothing, my prince.
Nothing. Something just occurred to me. This cucumber is poisoned. And your Mordecai's mother sent you to me.
No, my prince, it's not true, my prince. I bought it and I prepared it by myself, my prince.
Shut up! She has been looking for a way to eliminate me, and now she is using me as an instrument to achieve her aim.
No, it's not true, my prince.
It's not true.
Yes, my prince.
It's not true. So you tell me the truth. Speak now before I struggle you to death.
My prince, please, it's not true. I will tell you the truth, please.
Speak now!
My prince, my intention was to attract you close to me
Says Uche is not interested, my prince.
What? What do you take me for? Do you think I'm a fool?
No, my prince. My prince, I can't deceive you. I'm telling you the truth, my prince.
You can't deceive me.
Yes.
Right? You made it yourself.
Yes, my prince.
That's good. Now eat it. Eat it. Everything. Eat everything. Get out.
Okay, my prince. Thank you, my prince.
Come on here. Come on here. Come on here.
I'm sorry.
Eat it. Take it off. Keep it slowly. Keep it. How are you? Continue. You have not cleaned this side. Clean this side very well. Clean this side very well. You got this side. You will clean this well. Okay. After you clean here, clean here, let me see. Clean this side. Your Majesty, you sent for us?
Yes, I sent for both of you. It is an emergency. I want you to carry out my instructions with immediate effect.
Yes, Majesty.
Tomorrow is a market day, isn't it?
It is, Your Majesty.
Good. Look at what I want you to do. Take the youths with you to the market. I want the entire place barricaded immediately. The market is henceforth closed.
Your Majesty, the Eke market is the only market in this community. If you close it up, it is going to affect our people.
Mabode, I did not invite you here to argue with me. I am the king. If I give out instructions, you carry it out without questioning my authority.
Please forgive me, Your Majesty. I'm sorry.
After you have the whole place barricaded, inform the town crier to make pronouncements concerning the closure of the market.
It is done, Your Majesty. We will go there immediately.
Also, for your information, the chairman and agenda are no longer members of this cabinet. I believe you must have heard about it.
I heard it, Your Majesty. In fact, they are my headache personally. They are the ones who go about telling our people that you are corrupt. It is true, Your Majesty. They deserve the punishment. They deserve to be banished.
You can go now and carry out my instruction.
very man we trusted and supported to be the king of this land is now making our lives miserable. Where do we run from here?
Amaka. Nkole, my friend. Hey, my good friend. Where are you coming from?
My sister, I went to my farm to harvest some cassava for tomorrow's market.
Where's the cassava?
But I changed my mind. Why? Immediately I heard your own going announcement.
Announcement? About what?
You mean you've not heard? Igwe has closed the K market.
Hey! Don't go there. For what? Why?
Okay, Amaka. It's true! I believe as you are going now, you will see the tank crier on the way.
Why will Igwe close the K market in this community? What will happen to the cassava I harvested since morning? Eh?
No, now. Please, I'm going to my house. Let me go and rest. Hi!
Close the K market.
Has been closed down by that event. What manner of man is Rebecca? Why has he decided to be this wicked to his people? I think he is up to something.
Oh no, is it true that Igwe has closed our market? This is unusual. How could he do that? Eh?
Trouble means in this community.
Yes.
I said it before, now it is imminent.
There is big problem. Ishe and Ishe Wabude have brought problem in this community.
When I was asking you to be the next I had that the book
we have to do something. We cannot just fold our hands while things get worse. It's not possible. We council of elders must do something.
Are you sure he is not another to sell the community's property?
No, I think I agree with you. No, our people have to stop you before it's too late. That market, that is the only market we have in this community. And we have to do something about it. We are not strangers here. Hey! Okoselu.
Obodo mama, obodo chanja, madu mebezi wifanawa, ofedi mazurani.
But I do not care. I just want to have some drink and have fun. Hello, beautiful.
Good afternoon, sir.
You have gained yourself royal immunity to call me sir. My name is Prince Onyebeka, the only prince of this land.
You are the prince?
Yes, I am the prince. And it seems like you are not from this community.
Yes.
But it is okay. You know, you're very beautiful and charming. In fact, you have captivated the heart of a prince. You are really beautiful.
Thank you.
And I would not waste my time on this, because angels like you do not waste time on earth. I want you to be my love. I am in love with you. If you love me, for anyone the prince love.
Because the prince, I didn't mean daughter. What I do?
That's my friend.
And I want you to be my friend. Anything you want, consider it done. What are you doing here? What is the meaning of this rubbish? What is the meaning of what? What is the meaning of what? America, what is the meaning of what?
My prince, don't do this.
Get up from my seat.
Don't do this, okay?
What's up? Look, when I walked into this place, this seat was empty. Respect yourself, Emenike. Emenike, respect yourself. You know where go. The girl you are talking to is my girl. So I dare you to get up from this seat right now. Emenike, for your information, this beautiful girl was sitting alone. And I decided to give her a royal honor by sitting with her. So please, I beg you in the name of God, in the name of our Father. You beg in the name of God. If this guy is drunk. You don't need to give up.
It is Naija's. Igwe says that he is not in the right mood to see people. People should go.
Did you exactly tell him that we are the people that wanted to see him?
Yes, I did.
We are not going anywhere. Or the Igwe comes and tell us the reason he should close the only market we have in this community. Exactly. He can sanction me the way he sanctioned Ichie Umadi and Ichie Ajemba. I don't care. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? What did I tell you when you all came to me in demand of the reason you go close the market? If I have not followed you people up to this place now, I won't have your money. Ichie Nandi. Are you trying to deny the fact that you and the chairman there are not involved in this arrangement? So that is why you call me chair Nendo. You have forgotten my office as a mole. That is how you conspire. Every little I do this community is zero to your own eye. And I'm going to be chair. Do you know that two of you fool us? You are talking to the people of this land. Mind your words. Be careful. Two of you cannot fool us. Please, please, and you are you know I am giving my guys. Which guy? I was talking to God. That is why you claim that the brother. That is why I am alone with higher dignity. I want to talk to this man. He is not there. That is the two of you very well here. So she was saying you are
Hello, the most distinguished senator. I have no problem, my friend. How is your family? I am happy to hear that. Well, I called you in due to the discussion we had last week. The land is ready. The place is ready. I will have the whole place surveyed tomorrow so that I can get the proper number of plots of land. Alright? Then I will see you the day after tomorrow.
Your Majesty, the elders are leaving the palace in anger. They said they have come to see you concerning the closure of the Eke market.
Is that why you are bothered?
My husband, I should be bothered. A lot of things have been happening since you took over the mantle of leadership in this community.
I am the king of this kingdom. And whoever that goes against my decision will have himself or herself to blame.
Your Majesty, the glory of every king is the welfare of his people. You don't need to rule your people with iron hands. Truly, it is not fair to have ordered the closure of Eke market. That is the only market in this community. It is not fair.
I don't know what you call fairness. I made a decision, and anyone that tries to go against it would be sent out of this community with immediate effect.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing my friends.
I want to see you in my room. Now. Now.
Okay, my friends.
I saw you entering the medical room last night. I'm asking you, Choma. What is it? You entered the medical room yesterday. What did you go there to do?
He asked me to see him.
He asked you to see him. And so, what did he tell you?
Nothing. I came out immediately.
What did you say? God.
Why are you laughing?
What's the matter? Chioma, you amaze me. See, let me tell you something. You won't kill me in this palace.
What's that supposed to mean?
Chuma, look at me from head to toe. Do I look like a kid? Chuma, you entered his room last night and you spent an hour there. Or do you think I don't know what transpired between both of you behind his closed door?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Now tell him, Choma. You have to be careful, Choma. You have to be very, very careful, Choma. Apunike.
Ichialendo, despite that the Igwe gave us huge amounts from the sale of that Eke market, I don't think it is right for him to sell it.
What do you mean?
Our people are not happy with him.
And what is their business? Igwe has already promised to build another market elsewhere for them. See, Igwe Ebekwodike has beautiful plans for our community. He sold the land to companies, notable companies. He spoke about it. And these people will bring job opportunities to our people.
How true is that?
Don't give me the impression that you are sabotaging this effort.
How can I sabotage? I cannot sabotage the Igwe now. I'm trying to tell you the mind of our people towards him.
Now that I have seen you are the mouthpiece of the people. Speaker, I was thinking that you want to tell me what you use your money to do. You are now telling me of the mouthpiece of people. See, let me tell you, I will use part of my money. You know, I already have a house. I will buy a comfortable car. Echo. If I wind up like this, Echo,
you are not making sense. I was hoping you would tell me you use the money to send your children back to school. Your first son is at home, and one of your daughters due to school fees, which you could not afford. Now is your opportunity to send these children back to school. Huh? You are telling me, Ka?
Don't tell me that thing. I already told my children before now to go and look for what they will be doing.
Yeah.
The people that are successful in the society today are in the Akolo. You know, Koku school. Now, what has education done to you? I will buy Motongoro Echo. And when I drive my Echo motor, I will not carry you. Even if when I see you trekking under the hot sun.
If you don't carry me, carry yourself. As for me, I'll use the money and send my children to school. I want them to be more learned than the way himself. Yes. You're telling me, Ka.
You know why I'm laughing at you? You are stingy. Even with the huge amount of money that you have. Look at the type of Maya invitation for Muabichi, Lendo. To drink.
I give you drink at all. I give you drink every day. That's the one I have. I'll give you what I have.
I can see.
I can't give you what I don't have.
I can see that.
Uche.
Yes, my princess.
Are your parents still alive?
It's my mother that is still alive. My father died while I was very tender.
Are you the first? Uche.
Yes, my princess. I have some clothes for you to wash. Follow me. Okay, my princess. Let me finish up with what I'm doing.
Are you stupid? I said leave that thing you are doing and follow me. I mean now.
Where do you think you're going? My friend will continue what you're doing.
Uche! I said come with me now.
Uche, please come.
Uche, can't you see someone who is busy?
Meaning what?
Uche! I said come! Uche, come with me. Now!
For your information, I am the princess in this palace. She has to attend to me first before you.
Yes, you are a liar. Who made you a princess? Huh? Go and ask that your mother. Tell her to tell you the truth, you fool.
How dare you? How dare you mention my mother in this case? Did you call me a fool?
Did you just slap me? Did you just slap me? You are a fool.
Hey! Consider what you're doing.
Your Majesty, which place are you talking about?
I'm talking about the hectares of land at Uguicheko.
The hectares are at Uguicheko. Your Highness, I'm sorry. It's not going to be possible. The land in question was shared during one man, one plot exercise by our late Igwe, your brother. It is now owned by individuals.
I want the ownership of the whole land revoked. My late brother went into that one man, one plot exercise because of pressure from the youth. Since then, nobody has put up a structure or sell the land to those that will bring development to our community.
Your Majesty, I don't want you to look at it as if I'm trying to argue with you. But how do you think this thing would be possible to revoke the ownership of the land from our people?
Land belongs to the community. It is in the power of the community to determine who owns the land or who does not, for development reasons. Therefore, I am moving into that land next week to replot and sell them to those that will bring development to our community.
Your Highness.
What is the problem?
The women of this community are at the gate. They demand to see you at once.
Demand to see you?
Yes, Your Highness.
Correct. I'll be with you shortly.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Who are these women? They're the women of this community. Listen to their song. My father ordered for their arrest. Why? Those women have not done anything. Why would you want to arrest them? And I need to talk to him. Those women are innocent. Please go and talk to him.
Your Majesty, those women have disturbed a swamp of bees and must face the consequences. I don't know who gave them the authority to challenge a person down there.
Hello. I will use them to set example in this community. By the time I am done with them, they will know that I am Ebek Wedike, one of Umulum.
Your Majesty, please. Those women are protesting for their rights. You'll be adding a lot of salt to their injuries in if you get them arrested.
Onama, hold your peace.
Okay, please. Don't arrest them.
Those women are rebels. They have no right to question my decision in this land, so they must be arrested.
Please. Please.
Onama, leave my side now. And make sure that none of you comes close to that gate. I hope I made myself clear.
Your decision is final. Those women must be dealt with, especially their leaders.
Your father is still insisting on arresting them. That's not good. These women have done nothing wrong. I don't know why he has chosen to be wicked to his people. Huh? Mother, someone needs to go and inform those women to leave the palace immediately. Let me go and tell them. No, don't go. But why? My father does not want anybody close to that gate. Probably he does not want people to know his plan. Okay, Mama, let me tell you the characters to go and tell them. And they don't go. Let him do whatever he has wished. Mother, I am not happy. My father has got a lot of harm to the people of this community. He should stop it.
Who is it? How may I help you?
Father, I'm sorry for the disturbance, but there's something I need to discuss with you.
Go on, I'm listening.
My father, I could not sleep last night because of what happened in this palace yesterday. With due respect, Father, it was an act of wickedness for you to have arrested and detained just innocent women at the police station till this very moment.
Have you come here to insult me?
No, Father. I'm only disturbed by your unholy activities in this community ever since you became the Igwe. This place is in shambles. Your subjects are not happy with the way you are ruling them. Please, my father, consider the plight of your people.
You stop that rubbish! I know it was your mother who sent you, but let me warn you. Next time you step into my room to teach me morals, I will punish you for that. I will forgive you for today. But next time you try this, it will not be funny. Now leave my presence.
I'm sorry, Father. I did not mean to provoke your anger. I am only concerned about the good reputation you had before you became the Igwe. Please, my father.
Now leave my presence. I said leave my presence. Hey, both of you stop there. Where do you think you're going? I got information that both of you were among the people that organized the women's protest. Is it true?
Yes, it's true, Igwe. Our people have to fight for their rights. This community belongs to us. Yes, Igwe. Please, we urge you to free those women in the police net.
I would have had both of you arrested and detained. But I think you deserve a more severe punishment. Both of you are hereby banished from this kingdom.
You can't do that to us. We have not committed any offense.
Oh no. Make sure they are taken beyond the boundaries of this community. Strip them of all their windows, that paraphernalia.
Don't do what you're about to do.
Don't talk to me.
Bring my stuff. Give me my stuff. Give my stuff.
Go with two guards out here and take them beyond this community. Beyond the boundary.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go now.
Your Majesty, we are innocent. The gods of this land will fight for us. The gods of Orphan will fight for us.
Set this road. This is the road.
Your Highness.
Take them away!
Go. Your Highness. Move.
I call both of you because of what I observed recently in this palace. Honor.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I have observed that 2 of you do not wear your royal attires anymore. All you put on are casual wears. What is happening?
Well, Your Majesty, you observed rightly. My daughter and I decided not to wear royal attires anymore until you change the manner in which you rule this kingdom.
Do you know the implication of what you're doing? You're taking laws into your hands.
Well, I am sorry, Your Majesty. It's a personal decision.
I will not allow that to happen because you are causing confusion here. As from tomorrow, 2 of you will cease to come out in your casual attires. I hope I made myself clear.
Father, my mother has said it all. I am ashamed of what is happening in this palace. With due respect, we are going to remain like this until we see some changes in this palace. Just like my mother said.
You heard my warning. I don't want to repeat myself again. My concern for you and your children won't lead to separation. Your husband is a sabotage. He is fighting against my government. That is why I have decided to banish him from this land.
Please forgive him in the name of the gods, Your Highness. If you can pardon him and tell him to return home, I'll question him, please. I beg you, Your Highness. Your Highness, please.
That will be too late.
Who will take care of me and my children?
You don't have to bother yourself with that. I am going to take care of you and your children. In fact, henceforth, you are now my mistress.
Please, Your Highness, you know I don't do anything like that. I beg you in the name of the gods.
I'm down with you.
Your Highness, please.
That is the only way I can consider the power that you are asking for.
Please, Your Highness, I beg you.
I am down with you, woman. I said I am down with you, woman.
Obodo mama, Obodo Janja.
Decided to banish my husband so that he can be speaking with me. Hell! I'm dead, oh! Okay. I don't know who I'll tell this I'm hearing to.
So what? Mother Esther, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are your children?
They are all fine.
I heard what happened to you, my sister.
It's okay.
I am sorry I've not come to see you.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you, eh?
Okay, let me keep going.
Who knows how she'll be taking care of
Let's
you?
go. Hey, what do you have to do? Ujuma, what is it? I told you that I've not been feeling fine. But they asked me to carry those firewood.
Why did you not tell your father to get you medication? I told him when we were leaving for the farm, but he said he does not have money. It's okay. Manage, let's get to the house. Carry the firewood, let's get to the house.
Okay.
We'll go to see the chemist man. Just manage, yeah? Please, my child. Where are you? This your in-house is getting out of hand.
I wonder why Queen Onama and her daughter have not been putting on their royal clothes recently.
My sister, I don't know. I feel like lying down. I'm not getting myself.
You and Uche have been ill for some time. What could be the problem?
I have been vomiting since morning.
Have you both gone to the hospital?
No.
What is the problem?
I am sick, my queen.
You're sick?
Yes, my queen.
Have you told anybody about it?
No, my queen.
Obodo mama, obodo chanja, madu mebezi wifa.
Nigerian. So is this true? That people are replotting this land after it has been allocated to our people by Ayigwe?
Arinze, I want to ask you one question. What are you doing here?
See, let me tell you, Nigerian. You never know about that. It is not good.
Arinze, stop making noise. Get out of this place before I get you arrested.
I'm not afraid of being arrested. Let me tell you, you can't do more than what you did to a woman whom you locked up in police station for 4 days now. Go and tell the Igwe. That I, Arinze, safe. That the anger of the gods will soon overtake him. Arinze, see what one more plate this year now. Go here. May thunder strike you there. Is it because you having a gun? See, let me tell you, very soon you face the wrath and the anger for betraying the youth of this community.
My friend, get out of here and make sure you don't come back here again.
Abdi, don't worry. Abdi, you. We shall see. No, we shall see. We shall see.
Obodo mama, obodo chanja.
I will tell you. It's the prince. Eh? The prince. Which of the prince? Mama, is the prince now. Which of the prince? Come on. Which of the prince are asking? Yes, idiot. I'm not there.
I cannot wait to become the next influence. So I can put all of our enemies under our footstool. You see that enemy killer, that scumbag, that nincompoop, that's Pharisees. I will make him the chief guard in this palace. Only the grand gift. And then his sister, whatever her name is. I would make her the chief maid so that she'll be washing the dishes and washing the clothes. That would be their punishment.
And as a princess of Islam, I will marry the richest and the most handsome prince of the whole world.
You're very beautiful. I will make sure.
This is my queen. My prince, the king wants to see you right now.
Is there any problem?
I don't know. He asked me to call you.
Just go and meet him up. Okay. But when I return, I will give you my 7-point agenda as the next hero of this community. Beautiful sister. Your husband should get ready.
Father, please, I'm sorry. Father, I'm sorry, please.
Emily, you are a disappointment to this community. You are a disgrace to this family and the entire human race. I feel like disowning you right now as my son.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Father, please.
And you. I allowed that woman and her daughter to go. Because the more they stay, the more I become disappointed. I have a question to ask you. And I want you to look me straight in the eyes and tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth. Do you know that lady?
But I don't know her.
Don't lie to me. She said you raped her and as a result of that, she is now pregnant. The same thing that you meted out to that maid in heaven. True or false?
How can I stoop so low, Dad? How can I stoop so low to a woman with no class? They accuse me of raping her. How can you believe that, Dad?
Enough! Now, both of you, disappear from my face. Get out from my face! Ndala. A lot of things have been going wrong in this palace. Quarrels here and there. Fights every day. You all fail to realize that you are all siblings and biologically related. I summon all of you to warn you for the last time. Never will such ugly incidences occur in this palace again.
Father, before you put an end to all the problem in this house, those issues responsible for them must be addressed first. Besides, our mothers are supposed to be here.
I don't need any complaints. I have made myself clear. And I believe all of you heard what I said.
Yes, sir.
No more quarrels in this house. I will speak to your mothers differently.
Thank you, Father.
You can go now.
Excuse me, Father. I would like to say something before we leave.
Go ahead.
Father, you were held at high esteem for your interest in promoting discipline, peace, equity among humans. You fought injustice in every organization you found yourself. You were notable for the clean slate records you kept.
Father, you've allowed us to go now. Why is she still keeping us here?
I don't know.
What is this gospel about?
Allow her to continue.
I could remember how you bred us, inculcating in us to be humble, humane, empathy, and above all, to lead by example. Suddenly, all those things have changed to the worst. You became the Igwe, and all your activities amount to miscarriage of justice. You are now seen like a broken reed among your subjects. Your sons, your wonderful sons, they have suddenly become rapists, impregnating all the maidens and daughters of your subjects.
Very much. This is so much. Adako, did I rape you? Did I rape you?
Did I rape me? You cannot get me pregnant.
Useless. You are a useless girl.
You useless.
Well, sit down there.
What am I there?
You're a useless girl.
You're useless. Okay, hey, friends. Just shut up your mouth or I'll squeeze it for you. Are you mad?
Let's go. You sit down. Get quiet and sit down.
I was not happy with both of you last night, especially you and Dak.
Please forgive me, Father. I said all those things because I love you. I want you to have a good name. I want you to be respected by your subjects. There's nothing unpleasant people haven't said about you. Even how you took the wives of the elders you banished from this land. Father, it simply portrays you as a king who cannot control his libido.
Your Majesty, your daughter is not far away from the truth. You are not that man I married 38 years ago. You blame my daughter and I for every bad thing that has happened in this palace, overlooking your other two wives' behavior and your son's inability to control their libido.
Enough of that, Mama. Both of you will not be a thorn on my flesh, and I won't have you insult me again.
We do not insult you. Our interest is for you to turn a new leaf. Use your world of experience to lead your subjects. Please.
Now get out of here, both of you. For your information, if you continue to dress this way, I'll force both of you out of this palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Take this. This is 50,000 naira. Your daughter's pregnancy must be aborted immediately. I mean today. And get back to me when you must have done that. You can go now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Mama do aburachuku.
Ada, I have had enough of your father's excesses. I don't think I will continue to live with them.
I don't understand what you mean by that.
I'm leaving this palace, Ada.
How could you say a thing like that, mother?
Do you know how sad I was when Chioma and Gebele told me that your father gave them money to abort their pregnancies?
Mother, I understand. But it's not fair for you to live here. This is your husband's home. If you leave this place, who will be advising him on his excesses?
How many times has he taken my advice? Adako, I cannot continue like this. I need a life. I need peace of mind. And there is no way I can get it if I'm not separated from this evil here.
Okay. Okay, Mommy. Where will you go to?
My father's house, of course.
Somehow.
What is somehow? Okay, you can decide to stay here. After all, it's your father's house. What are we even talking about? How many times has your father threatened to throw us out if we don't change our mode of dressing? Eh?
Obodo mama, obodo jonja, madu mebezi wifedewa, go for the mazura nyo. Obodo diludo, obodo yasasia, madu mebezi wifedewa, go for the mazura nyo.
Are you sure you have terminated it?
Yes, Your Highness.
What about you?
Yes, Your Highness. It has been removed, Your Highness.
Both of you will leave this palace first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay, Your Highness. Okay, Your Highness.
You can go now. Hold on.
Yes, Your Highness.
Who are these people?
Your Majesty, you see this man, you see Adriano. If you look at the shape of his head, if you see Adriano, he is the owner of that bakery bread at the Nollywood market. His name is Mr. Henry. He was caught sleeping with another man's wife. That woman there, her name is Susanna.
Is it true?
Your Highness, please forgive me. It's the devil's handwork.
Huh? You slept with another man's wife, and you have the impetus to ask for forgiveness.
Your Highness, please. Please, Your Highness.
And you? Who is your husband?
My husband. Your Highness, he went to work.
With
He went to work, Your Highness.
Both of you have committed sacrilege to the land. Therefore, I banish both of you from this
Your Highness.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you. I was told that Onamma and Adaku left this palace today.
Yes, Your Highness. They left this afternoon. A few minutes before you came back.
Onamma left this place without my consent.
Yes, Your Highness. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were not aware of it. But is it not better she left? Of what use is she in this house? After all, she didn't give you any male child.
Aroka.
Your Highness.
You can go now.
Okay, Your Highness. Mother, Grandpa has slept. Okay. You promised me you were coming here to rest. But for the past 5 days we got to this place, you've not been yourself.
Ada, I'm fine. Just that I'm worried about you. Why? I don't know. I've been thinking. You shouldn't have left with me. You should have remained with your father.
But you know, I can stay there alone. Don't worry. I'll be fine. Things will get better someday, Mother.
I remember when you were so tender, how your father used to tell me how much he loved you. I never knew things would become this bad. He was a nice man, but he changed when Ijamaka and Aruka entered this family.
It's okay. It's going to be fine. It's getting late. Everything will be fine. Okay? Let's go.
She could no longer bear the pains. So she decided to leave. I had no option. I had to follow her to this place. This is so. It's wrong. Alright. You're looking good. Thank you. Thank you, husband. My sister, not good. Have you? It's your husband. It's fine, just that he's always busy because of the nature of his job. When he's currently in South Africa, big man. See, shiny, big man wife. Why don't you come to the city with me instead of you staying here in the village? I can look for something for you to do there. Cynthia, the idea is splendid. Trust me. But the truth is, I can't come with you. I can't leave my mother alone. She needs me. I'm going to stay with your mother forever. Once you get married, we get to that wish, we know how to press it. Well, it's your choice. Everyone gets something to eat. No, please, not for that. Why don't you just gist me? What is happening to you? Gist you. So you will come to class and you will eat. Or else you have to just know that going home. You're so stubborn. Mommy, guess what?
What?
Well, I was talking to my friend Cynthia on the phone, and she said I can come to the city with you. That she has secured an accommodation for the both of us in the city.
Did you tell her that I want to go to the city?
No! But you know I can't live in this village alone.
Ada, I have told you to go to the city if that is what will make you happy. For me, going to the city is not my problem right now. As for me, I want to stay here and monitor what is happening at the palace.
Really, Mom? You know that's not necessary. You're not there, and there's nothing you can do about it. Mom, we are going to the city.
Well, we'll have this conversation later. For now, let's go and cook. Okay?
We'll go and cook. But don't change your mind, no, because you're going to the city with me. Let's go and cook. Don't change your mind. Let's go. Let's go. Mommy.
What else do you expect? Is that not why he punished him? Was it not the same about Ebekwedike that advised late Igwe Akonwa to abolish punishment as form of
punishment in this community. Things have fallen apart in this our community. Could you recall the last time we had a cabinet meeting? Many of us have been withdrawn because of Igwe's policy. Yes, things have indeed fallen apart. Look at Igwe's sons. What kind of children are they? Miscreants! What about the others? As far as I'm concerned, Ada is the only child Igwe has. Well, I heard that she has traveled to the city with her mother. Yes.
Which is my orders.
Look at the relations. Is everything the matter?
Everything is not right.
Nothing is right now. The youth of this community are no longer happy the way things are going on. I urge you elders to rise up and fight against this evil that has taken our land.
Arenze, the elders are not the problem in this community. It is the Igwe. He has refused to listen to the advice of the elders. He has banished most of us in the cabinet. How many of us are there?
Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Because he wants to be sleeping with their wives. The youths are no longer happy. We are running out of patience. And no one can stop us once we decide to take law into our hands. As for those elders he banished, we will bring them back to this land. Very soon. Very soon. Very soon, no, I'm leaving.
You have no option than to work with this. Of course. This is our community revolution.
Adaku has stayed out for too long. Could it be that she did not meet safely at home?
Mother!
You're welcome.
Mother, I'm back. Thank you. Good evening, my friend.
Cynthia, come here. You're welcome, my dear. Welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
You look it.
How are you doing, Mom?
I'm good.
I said let me bring her home.
You did well.
I'm staggering. Thank you. Cynthia, wait. Mommy, I'll be starting work tomorrow. Yes.
Wow.
Cynthia secured a job for me.
Oh, thank you so much. May God bless you and your husband.
Thank you, my queen.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, ma. I have to start going now. You remember what we discussed yesterday, right? It's okay, the time now. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright. Go.
Oh,
thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Alright, good night, everybody.
Good night.
Bye.
Such a nice girl.
Yeah, she is. Well, tomorrow I'll start work.
To me. You had me, right?
can you pass the princess of your land without greeting?
What?
Get him!
Yes, my princess. Go there. Go there. You pass the princess of your land. Go. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You are among those who go around rubbishing my father's name. Thanks to God that I'm in a good mood. Stupid animal. Get up and run! Get up and run! Get up! Run!
I'm sorry, my princess.
Cynthia, my good friend. Honestly, I can't thank you enough for everything you have done for me. You brought me back to the city. You wanted this beautiful apartment with my mother and I. As if that was not enough, you got me a good job. And today, I'm the manager of the company. Thank you so much.
My sister, you should be grateful to God. Without him, all this would not have been possible.
That's true. I'm happy. Honestly, I am.
Hey, that reminds me. The one I asked about yesterday when you came to see my husband.
Who is your grandma again?
My husband's friend.
Wait. The one that came out from the UK?
Yes. He has been anxious to see you since the last time he met you in my house. Do you know what he told me yesterday?
What?
He said he wants to marry you, a good girl.
What's funny now?
It's funny. But how can you say he wants to marry me when he doesn't even know me? And he's serious about this. Even my husband knows about it. I even heard he's a prince.
Really?
A prince. That is what my husband told me. My husband might accompany me to come see your mother any day from now.
Wait. I don't want to laugh again. Wait. Why do I don't like him?
Abba, you like him. He's a very good person. He's very nice. Don't miss this opportunity.
Wait. You serious?
Just try it out.
Cynthia.
I'm serious.
Your Majesty, our people should be grateful to you for the great opportunity that you have brought into our land. Now, investors are everywhere. The market women, the youths are all enjoying because of that. I want to applaud you personally.
Honorable, for your information, more investors are coming in. We will start very soon to plot the land by the waterside.
Is that so?
I am already making arrangements towards that.
In fact, our enemies have been put to shame. Have you heard from Orphan and Dr.
Yes, I spoke with Adako yesterday. As a matter of fact, Adako is now manager of an oil and gas company.
That's very good. He's also, that is what we are saying. Big man talks to big man. And the opportunity brings opportunity. Hey, the great Abba is here. What is she doing here? She's only saying when there is trouble in the land.
What do all this unexpected come unorthodox visit?
No matter the quantity of water the fish use,
to refresh itself while it's inside the river, it will surely lose it when it is taken to the place of fire for drying. The sickness of a swollen stomach does not always visit a man in the very year he murdered the medicine man. The gods shall not remain silent forever.
This is the evil. How are you? I'm fine. Baby, welcome to my house. Welcome. Welcome, my prince. To my house. This is my house. Here, everything. Please. Go inside. Ooh. Oh, these two people there. Look. Do you know them?
I'm leaving.
Please, sit down.
Mom, you're worried. What's the problem?
Ada, I think we have to go back to the village this weekend.
Why? Did anything happen?
I have a very bad feeling that something is wrong somewhere. I saw your father in my dream, and I do not like the condition I saw him. In that dream, he was urging us to come back home. I think you need to go.
Mother, you just said it was a dream.
I know, but it is not something I can take for granted.
Okay, fine. How about the visitors we are expecting this weekend? I mean, Ugona and Cynthia's husband.
Well, I think you need to call them and tell them to come earlier than scheduled.
Okay, Mother. I've heard you. Let me go to work and come back. We'll talk about it, okay?
Okay. Go on.
Cheer up. I don't want to come back and see you like this. Bye.
Why Igwe summoned us for a meeting today.
No one knows. We'll hear from him when he comes out.
Ichie and Omabuden must know why we are here.
Exactly.
They are his personal advisors.
Yes, you're correct.
That's it.
My eye.
Your Highness.
Your Highness. Are you alright?
I can't see.
Your Highness. Huh? Your Highness. That! Go and get water fast! Your Highness, what is it? You'll be honest with me, alright?
Please, take me to my bedroom.
Oh, okay.
Tell Aroka to send for my doctor immediately. I can't see.
Okay, yes, let's go inside. Let's go.
Just step your feet gently.
Greetings, my queen.
How are you?
I'm fine, my queen.
I hope the king is around.
Yes, my queen.
Ezonya gwanam ikano kwadia Kezi anachogi na obo Inezo yalizi
Evening. Please send a card to Chiagando's house. I need to see him immediately.
Is that all?
Yes.
All right.
Who's there?
Who is there? You're welcome, madam.
Your Majesty.
Is that your mother?
Yes, Father. What happened to you?
I can't really say, my daughter. It started 4 days ago. I felt like something entered my eyes and suddenly I lost my sight.
This is strange.
More than 4 doctors have been here with, but none of them could remedy my condition.
I think the gods have a hand in it.
You're right, Onama.
Have you seen it? Your mother and I were begging you to desist from your wicked ways. But you refused. Now look at what is happening to you.
My daughter, I'm sorry. Onama, both of you should forgive me. I'm glad you're back. I have a confession to make. Well, this is the right time.
Yes, sir.
It gives me so much joy to know that someday you will become leader of this land.
Thank you, Mom.
You see, that is why I asked you to come here alone, so that we can have private talk. It is also the reason I asked you not to let anyone know where you are going. Alright?
Yes, I can understand. So,
here is my car key. There is a parcel at the back seat of my car.
it's back in the...
I found where the time. I'm back. Thank you. It is a gift I bought for you. From you? Don't open it until you get home. Alright?
Honestly, I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I met with the chair London, and he told me that the people will soon request for your father's replacement.
Why would they do a thing like that when my father is still alive?
They say it is because of his condition.
So what are we going to do now?
You will have to go and meet the chair London. Convince him.
That's a good idea. But don't you feel you should come with me?
No, son. This is a man-to-man talk. I don't want to interfere with that. That man is a very good man. See, what you have to do is only say a huge sum of money. He will give you the support. Trust me.
But I'm not going to change the house as you suggested.
You have to go first thing tomorrow morning. You know what a man and daughter can do, and I don't want her to take chances. If you get there, even if you take him to promise him half of your father's kingdom, you have to get his support. Please, let me get you involved. I will do anything to get my son to that throne, no matter what. fine. Hope you slept well.
Yes.
Father, we are leaving.
Who are you living with?
My mother and I.
I thought both of you came here to stay. Come back to stay. Where are you going?
I'm going back to the city.
I thought both of you came back here to stay.
No, Father. We only came to know how you are doing. Besides, the situation of things in this palace has made it so uncomfortable for us to further our stay here. Father, my mother and I were talking to you. We begged you. We begged you to change from your evil ways. But what did you do? You refused. Now look at it. Just look at it. It's okay. I'll be coming to see you from time to time.
I'm sorry for my mistakes. You should find it in your heart
May I know what is happening here? We are here to see your father.
He changed to Menuko. Is anything the problem?
What are they doing here?
They said they want to see my father.
Where are they?
Yeah, yeah, Father.
Igwe, we greet you. We are delegates from the people of Omolum community. We are here with some messages for you and your entire family.
Go ahead with the messages.
In the first place, I have resumed my duty as the Onu of this Omolum community. Secondly, the people of Omolum have decided to bring back those you banished. They've also said that a blind man cannot lead the people. For that reason, and according to our tradition, you have to vacate the throne with immediate effect.
Which of my two sons was chosen by the people to take over my throne?
No. Go ahead and complete the message.
The people of Omolum have decided that none of your children will ascend the throne.
How dare you! How dare you
People getting out to see such rubbish. This is a royal family. And nobody, not even the gods, have the right to tamper with our rights. As a matter of fact, it is my right to succeed my father to the throne of this land.
As a matter of fact, you are a liar, Emelike.
Shut up! Shut up!
My mother is the crown queen of this land, and that makes me the heir apparent.
This is not time to
You people should stop fighting against each other. Because you are not qualified to be the Igwe of this community.
I can't hear you.
Neither of you is capable to ascend the throne of Omolon community.
One. I can't hear you.
Because miscreants like you can never, will ever be the Igwe of this community.
You have said enough. You have said enough.
Mother, I can't hear you. Mother, I cannot hear you.
Get out! Get out!
I cannot hear you.
Rubbish! This is rubbish! Rubbish!
Mother, I cannot hear you.
It can happen! Not in this land! Not in this land! I am the prince! And I remain the prince!
I cannot hear you.
Don't have everything!
Mother, I cannot hear them. Mother, I cannot hear them.
Obodo mama, obodo chanja, madu mebezi wifedoa, kofedi mazura ngenyo, obodo diludo, obodo jasasia, madu mebezi wifedoa, kofedi mazura ngenyo. Chibezi boy chicho go fedi mazwera ngenyo madu tinu dia kiri madu tinicha nicha amarendi na chai amalo if I would sorry, can you run away? Fuck, I cannot janky pass away. Madu, you're so good. Obodo mama, obodo chanja, madu mebezi wifedoa, kofedi mazura ngenyo, obodo diludo, obodo yasasia, madu mebezi wifedoa, kofedi mazura ngenyo. Onyabuna chibezi boy chicho go fedi mazwera ngenyo madu tinu dia kiri madu tinicha amarendi na chai amanoa if I would not sorry, can you run away? Fuck, I cannot janky pass away. Madu, Kuran sabu, you know, I know where. Echa kwana iboze wanda, Keduze kissing with Chamongwe. It was Yamo, it got done. Anyabuna, Gamupana. Can you cheve chicha for my? Can you never do quarter? Makana, Ivabuna, Merenoa. Emisenu naigas ani beyanwe inanwe brother me sister mo ivabu nai mereno emisenu naigas beyanwe obodo mama Obodo Jonja Madam Ebeni Fedima Go Fedima Zorangin Obodo Denuda Obodo Yasasia Biko Madam Ebezi Wifenoa Go feed Masura in Obodo Mama Obodo Jonja Madu mebezi wifedoa Go fedi mazura ngenyo Obodo Dinudo Obodo Yasasia Madu mebezi wifedoa Go fedi mazura ngenyo